Just to verify my settings here, my little friend said that I was not flying with, he said that I had takeoff assistance and auto rudder going there, so there you go. And now that you've seen what my settings are, let's go fly. What's up, YouTube? I am Kapahuki, and I'm flying in Digital Combat Simulator with the P-51D Mustang, which I had just bought. And I've flown that around a little bit in the air, but apparently, according to one of my little friends, this thing is supposed to be extremely difficult to get off the ground without any takeoff assistance or any of that kind of stuff. So I double checked my controls to make sure that it was off. By the way, this little friend would be AKA Kraut. His name on YouTube is Jack Wilson 4747. You should check out his channel. He's got some good stuff. But anyway, this thing's supposed to be really hard to get off the ground. So let's find out. Everything looks good. Prop pitch is where it ought to be. We're rolling, baby. And we are airborne. This thing wants to roll a little bit to the left. I'm going to assume that's because of the P factor and the torque. I'll tell you right now that the flight model in this aircraft is very detailed. It really feels like I'm actually flying a plane, which is kind of strange, because there's not many sims that can actually do that. So I've gotten off the ground, gear up. That wasn't so difficult. Now let's go back and land this monster. I have no idea what the stall speed is. You know what? Let's find out. This right here will be a power off stall. Alright, buffeting at 100 knots. So I'm going to assume that 100 knots is my stall speed. Ooh, that's ugly. I had to reduce some torque there to get out of that pickle that I was just about to be in. Alright, so my stall speed is 100 knots. Now that I know, let's go and try and land this baby. Got flaps at 10 degrees. A little bit high according to the runway markings there, the VASI. I'm going to go to full pitch, give us a pretty big surface area on the prop. Actually, I am coming in way too fast. So I am going to make another go around here. That was 150 that I was just at. Pull back some power, see if we can get us down to about 125. That seems like it'd be about a good approach speed. Alright, we're there. Gear down. Flaps. Everything looks good. We're at about 140 knots or so, which is way faster than I want to be. We're approaching 100 knots now. Ooh, I must be running out of disk space. My computer started to lag there on fraps. So we are at 100 knots and coming in for the landing. And please keep in mind, this is my first attempt at landing. So this is probably going to be very sloppy. Or not. Oops. I was busy paying attention to my my throttle quadrant over there and not watching the runway. So, add a little bit of wheel brake. Man, ain't that sexy. Not too bad. Not too bad. Anyway, thanks for watching. This was my first takeoff at full reel or whatever it was. I mean, I did it once before, but he said that I didn't do it with the settings. So here it was in my first landing. Enjoy.